Let's sing that pentatone one more time, but with the xylophone this time. We actually sang a C pentatone because I use C as the pitch for do. Why don't you hum with me the first time, okay? Here we go. Did you notice that I took the bar off between me and so? And the one after la. It's just easier to play it when you take those off, all right? So let's go ahead and sing it with the solfege. Here we have do is C, re is D, mi is E, G is so, and A is la, okay? All right, hand signs for extra credit. Here we go. Do, re, mi, so, la. One more time. Do, re, mi, so, la. Let's go ahead and play the pentatone backwards, which technically it's not a pentatone anymore, right? Because the pentatone is from the lowest to the highest. So we're doing it backwards this time. Let's try it. Start on la. Here we go. La, so, mi, re, do. One more time. La, so, mi, re, do. Okay? So it's pretty easy, forward or backwards. Let's go ahead and play a do before we play the backwards pentatone. Okay? So we'll start on do. Do, la, so, mi, re, do. That was pretty good. Let's do 4 do's this time before we play the backwards pentatone. Here we go. Do, 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 do. La, so, mi, re, do. Well, that works so well. Let's add one more. Make it 5 do's. Here we go. Do, 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 la, so, mi, re, do. Did that sound a bit familiar to you? What if I changed the rhythm up a bit? Add a little syncopation. Here we go. Do you recognize it now? Let me play it one more time. Do, 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 la, so, mi, re, do. If you said black snake, you are exactly right. Now, we have 5 do's, and then basically on the 5th one is where the syncopation starts. Syncopatitita. See that? Syncopatitita. So you have 4 do's, and then the 5th one is when we start the syncopation. Okay, so we're going to play it 3 times, or I'm going to play it 3 times. You'll do it later. And then we'll just sing the ending without any instruments. Okay, here we go. Black snake, where are you hiding? Black snake, where are you hiding? Black snake, where are you hiding? Don't you bite me. That's really not that hard to play, right? Especially when it repeats 3 times. Now, that's all I want you to learn today to play is that backwards pentatone, but we add the 5 do's before you play that, okay? But, you know, the ending sounds a little bare without anything in it, so we're going to play a do on the last note on the word me, okay? And then, but you know what? Let's kick it up a notch. Let's add something called a tremolo, and it's just where you play that note, which we're going to play do or C, quickly and alternate your mallets. Like that, okay? So let's do that. Here we go. Black snake, where are you hiding? Black snake, where are you hiding? Black snake, where are you hiding? Don't you bite me. Okay, so you might want to try that, or you don't have to. Did you notice how I alternated my mallets? See that? I did. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay? What I'd like you to do is try and do that too. We want good mallet technique. I want you to pinch those mallets and then wrap your fingers around loosely. No pointy fingers, okay? That just doesn't give a good sound. Okay? Pinch and bounce. And if you play in the middle of the bars, they'll sound much better. I was playing on the edge because I wanted you to be able to see the letter names. All right? So go ahead and play that and have fun.